Hey, this is Crystal Miller with another Tip Tuesday for you. Today, I wanted to talk to you about your debt to income when you're applying for a home loan. So, one of the things that I come across oftentimes in conversations with my borrowers is people are often concerned about the total amount of money they owe for other obligations like your car payments or credit cards, student loans. And so, what I want to make you very aware of is that your total debt is not necessarily what we're evaluating so much as what we're evaluating your monthly obligations. So you might have a $30,000 car loan. We're not really putting that into the scenario so much as what we're putting that monthly payment into the scenario. So on that note, something to keep in mind is those monthly payments are going to affect how much you're eligible to spend on your house. So if you have an option to take out a car loan for say 60 months or 5 years versus 3 years, your payment's going to be higher usually on a 3-year loan than what it would be on a 5-year loan. So oftentimes it's not a bad idea to consider taking out that longer term on these larger payment obligations. Take out that longer term, get a smaller payment that's due, and go ahead and make that 3-month payment. You know, if you could have a $300 monthly payment for 3 years, or you could have a $250 payment for 4 or 5 years, take that smaller one, but go ahead and make the $300 payment and you'll pay it off in those 3 years like you really want to. But on paper, that keeps your debt to income ratio a little bit lower and gives us a little bit more to work with. So you might be capable of making that bigger payment, but it's definitely going to help to keep your obligation amount as low as possible. So hopefully if you're thinking about making any big purchases, in about the same year that you're looking to buy a home, keep that in mind because that really has an impact on what you're eligible to spend for your scenario. So if you have any questions, if you want to run some scenarios and see where you fall, or if you're thinking of buying a big car or an ATV or anything else, you know, purchase-wise that you'd maybe want to have us run your scenario, we're always more than happy to be proactive on these kinds of things. So that's our Tip Tuesday. I hope you have a great week and we'll see you soon.